All right, Clever checking in. We're gonna go right through this. We're gonna go room from room and just kind of see what the progress is like. Got a 1/2 inch line coming up over for a hose bib. Running it down the interior of the concrete block wall, and then we're gonna stub it out for a hose bib. Doing the water heater, they're keeping the water heater, so it's gonna be existing. Bringing it up to code, tying back in the recirc line. We got the laundry. We got that from the back side. We got Joey coming in hot. All right, Joey. Jordan leading the project. All right, Jordan. Got the back side of the laundry here. Everything's running Uponor. We had to get the laundry sink from here as opposed to the garage because we weren't able to fish it down that way. It's a 2-story home, so these are some of our runs going up into the 2nd floor. We'll go up there now. We have a bathroom here, back side of the bathroom. Show you that. Back side of the bathroom, so this was pretty much untouched. Okay. It's a lot dustier than we had thought. We put as much paper and plastic down as we could. Going up. Into the 2nd floor where we have 2 bathrooms. Back side of one of the bathrooms. And we were able to run it up over to the other bathroom. You'll see that in a minute. Hot and cold's over here. And we have a shower on over here that we were able to connect to the existing shower valve. Over here, again, we were able to go untouched here because we got it from the back wall. Going into the next bathroom. We have vanity out. This backed up to a dead space slash closet that had a bunch of shelving, so we decided to go through the front here. Stubbing out in copper. Uponor down. And then for the shower, it was on an exterior wall, so they removed the tile. Reconnected to the existing shower valve. Okay. Mind you, we have strapping and things like that to still do, but let's see if we can fast forward down to the rest of the house. It's a big house. This is like 5.5, 6 bathrooms. They had a 1-inch main coming in. Like I said, they were experiencing slab leaks while we were doing it, while we started it. Down here, we got it trenched over to the island. Weren't able to fish anything through. Back side of the wall to get it. Going over into the office area, which also has a full bathroom. As you can see, we had to tape up and protect a bunch of stuff. This is where we had to run in the ceiling to get it on over to this bathroom. Over here, you'll see this actually where it comes over and down to a shower, connected to the shower valve, up and over. That's where it came down from to connect over here. We had to remove this vanity for the hot and cold lines for the vanity, for the toilet stub out. Everything's starting to come together. Some things are starting to look done. And then we'll go over to the master. And we have a powder bathroom. Here we go now. It's hot and cold for the powder. We removed the vanity. Office was right behind here, so this was the best access point. And then we're going into the master bath. We had a his and hers. We had vanities here, so we removed the vanities and mirror here so we can get everything on over. So coming down and then half wall for one shower, coming down over half wall for the other valve. Okay, hot and cold. And then our main is coming in through here, all right? Main's coming in right from the exterior. It's gonna go straight up, feed the house. Last thing I'll show you real quick, not necessarily the manifolds, but just like a slab. It's like your lines are on our slab, you have manifolds and walls. So we end up basically creating a manifold on the other side of that. And this was a really nice attic, so really big. You can see some of our lines. Things have to be strapped and all that stuff a little bit better, but all of our runs to the other side of the house. And that's pretty much it for now. See if we can get some finalized pictures at the very end of the job, but hope you guys liked it. And this was in Jupiter, Florida.